Python is a programming language, right? So it is a high-level programming language. High-level programming language is nothing but it should be read by us, and it should be easy for the system also. So that is called high-level programming language. Before that, there will be some low-level programming languages, or there like there will be mnemonic codes will be there, like some code will be, we have to memorize some of the codes, and we have to directly utilize the address of memory or else directory registers. Here, no need to worry about the memory and the registers. We can directly code with simply English language itself. Okay, that is high-level programming language. Yes, it is very easy for us to understand because it is in English, right? But what about the system? It is not easy for it to read and debug, right? So for that purpose, they are using interpreter. Okay, so we are coding with Python, but that will be translated into some other code, and that will be executed by the system. Okay, so for this we need an interpreter. So here there will be one compiler. Here, in this place we will feed the Python code. Python code is nothing but what we are writing the code. Okay, so that is given as input, and that will be converted into bytecode in the compiler. Once we got the bytecode, we can run the bytecode at any system. I mean, what I'm meaning is it is platform independent. If I'm writing the code in Windows, I can run in Mac or Linux also. Okay, so once we got this bytecode, we can run it anywhere. Okay, so and there will be one virtual machine inside the interpreter. What's the work of this virtual machine means? It will load the bytecode with the library modules and also with the inputs that what we are giving as input, that will be combined together, and it will process it and it will deliver the output. Okay, so this is the basic work of interpreter. Okay, so it is created by one person, that is Giro van Rossum, in 1991, and basically it is developed by one person, right? So it is created by one person, but it is open source language. Python is an open source language. So what is this open source means? Basically, developing one people is easy. After that one, after developing, we need to upgrade that language, right? So for that, if you are going with one person or one set of 10 people or 15 people or with one single company, then it is very difficult to give next versions, right? So what they plan means they are giving us open source. So it is free to everyone. That is, we can access. We can download it as free, and we can give suggestions to them free, and we can give the developing next modules to them. For the people, Python people. Okay, and that is the basic idea for the OSS. Open source software. So it is called open source software. There are so many communities for each and every field of this Python. From that community, the Python will be developed to the next level. Okay. So yes, this is the interior work of this interpreter. So source code is nothing but what we are written in Python code, and that is fed into this interpreter. So what this interpreter will do means it will read the first line and it will try to execute that line, and then it will go for the next instruction, and then it will execute. Likewise, it will do. If you got any error at fourth line, if you are having 10 lines of code, then at the fourth line you are having some error, then at that point itself it stops the execution. Okay, so that is the basic work of the interpreter.